Hello everyone. Let's look at the steps to check whether your computer already has the 2023 Secure Boot certificates. As you probably already know, the original Secure Boot certificates released in 2011 are scheduled to expire in June 2026. Although Microsoft is actively replacing these certificates with the new ones, it is still a good idea to confirm whether your system already has the newer certificates to prevent startup and security disruptions in the future. Now, to check if your PC has the Secure Boot certificates, do this. First, let's open PowerShell. And of course, we're going to do this as an administrator. Going to clear the screen, and then we're going to use this command. Now we press enter. And as you can see, the output is true. So if it is true, then your computer has the new certificates and then will be valid until 2053. Now, if the output is false, then you're likely still on the 2011 certificates, which will expire in 2026. So what you do if the output was false? The best thing you can do is just to keep your computer up to date by using Windows Update, because Microsoft is actually using this mechanism in order to replace the old certificates with the new ones. So every time that you install an update, you can actually run the same command and eventually it's going to say true. Now, one thing to point out is that Microsoft started deploying these certificates starting with the February 2026 security update. After downloading this update, certificates might be on your computer, but they haven't been deployed yet. If that's the case, you may still be able to update manually, but you will need to use another set of instructions. You can check the link in the description to find all the instructions that you need in order to update manually. However, this process will eventually happen automatically. And that's it. That is a quick way that you can check if your computer has the 2023 Secure Boot certificates installed on your computer, or if you still have those certificates released in 2011 that are scheduled to expire in June 2026. And that's it. Leave your comments, like the video, share it, subscribe to the channel if you haven't done that yet, and I just hope this video was informative for you, and I would like to thank you for viewing.